Hello everyone, I'm Dixon SELVAN. In this video, we are going to see the fall and collision detection system of my project. We have the Arduino MK1000 as the brain of the system, and we have gas sensors and Bluetooth setup for the next level of project. So we'll ignore it now. We have LEDs for status and collision alerts, and we have ultrasonic sensors to detect the collision. We have an accelerometer fitted at the top of the box to find out whether the person has fallen down or not. It's right here. So let's now walk through a quick demo of the collision system. We have this status LED to indicate whether the system is connected to Wi-Fi or not. It will turn off when it's connected. And let's see a demo of the collision detection system. As I place my hand in front of the ultrasonic sensors, let's assume my hand as the obstacle. It alerts the user by blinking the red LED. So now it's time to move to the fall detection system, and let's assume this box has been fitted to the wheelchair and the person along with the wheelchair has fallen down. On the count of 10 after the fall, it'll just send out an SMS. This is to eradicate numerous SMS being sent to the same number. As we speak, we have received the SMS sent using IFTTT. Let me open the SMS, which says the person has fallen down and needs help. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more content.